Hello guys, today I'll show you two powerful iPhone automations that can actually speak out loud when specific people send you a message or email. It's perfect if you're waiting for something important and don't want to keep checking your iPhone every few minutes. First, let's set this up for the text messages. For this, we need to open the Shortcuts app and tap Automation at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new automation. Then scroll down and select Message. At the top, tap Sender. Choose the person whose message you want your iPhone to announce. For this example, I'll select Home, but you can choose anyone from your contacts. Then tap Done. You'll also see a Message Contains option. This is optional if you only want the automation to run when a message contains specific words or phrases. You can enter them here. Otherwise, leave it as it is. Make sure Run Immediately is selected. Then tap Next. Now tap Create New Shortcut. In the Search Actions box, type Speak Text. Select Speak Text from the results. Tap the text field and enter what you want your iPhone to say when that person sends you a message. For example, text from home. You can customize this however you want. Tap the small arrow beside the Speak Text action. From here, you can change the voice, language, speaking rate, and pitch to make it sound exactly the way you want. Once you're finished, tap Done, and that's it. The next time that person sends you a text message, your iPhone will automatically speak the phrase you created. This is incredibly useful if you're waiting for an important message from a family member, friend, co-worker, client, or anyone else. Even if your phone is in your pocket or across the room, you'll immediately know who contacted you without needing to look at the screen. Now, let's do the same thing for emails. Go back to the Automation tab. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner again. This time select Email, then tap Sender. Enter the email address of the person you want to monitor, then tap Done. You'll also see options for account and recipient. If you have multiple email accounts on your iPhone, you can choose a specific account here. Otherwise, leaving it set to any account is usually the best option. You can also leave recipient set to any recipient unless you have a specific reason to filter emails further. Next, select Run Immediately and tap Next. Then tap Create New Shortcut. Again, search for Speak Text and choose Speak Text. Tap the text field and enter the phrase you would like your iPhone to announce. For example, important email received. Tap the small arrow beside the action if you'd like to customize the voice, language, speed, or pitch. When you're happy with everything, tap Done, and that's it. Now, whenever that sender emails you, your iPhone can announce it out loud automatically. One important thing to remember, this email automation works best when Apple's Mail app is actively receiving your emails. If you primarily use another app like Gmail and your emails aren't being delivered through the Mail app, the automation may not trigger as expected. So make sure the email account you're monitoring is added to the Mail app and that the Mail app is properly syncing and receiving your messages. These two automations are simple, but they can save you a lot of time and help you stay on top of important conversations without constantly checking your phone. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with someone who uses an iPhone, and subscribe to TechTipTaps for more useful iPhone tips, tricks, and hidden features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.